Okay, so I turned 40 last week.
Yay me, right?
Except instead of throwing a party, I threw my back out trying to pick up a quarter I dropped on purpose, because budgeting apps told me I have exactly 23 cents left for the week.
Like, excuse me?
I'm officially middle-aged and still arguing with a vending machine about whether I'm worthy of a bag of off-brand peanuts. And you know what's wild? I actually thought I was doing okay. I drink iced coffee at home, I canceled my gym membership, my body hasn't noticed, and I haven't seen the inside of a mall since Obama's first term. And yet, somehow, my bank account still screams like it's being held hostage by 2010 me, who thought credit cards were just extra money. Then, there's budgeting. Oh, sweet budgeting. That mythical land where people have sinking funds and emergency savings and don't eat cereal for dinner because payday is 2 lifetimes away. I made a budget once. Color-coded. Labeled. Inspirational quotes and all. I felt powerful until I remembered I have the willpower of a sleepy raccoon in a donut shop. One unexpected Amazon deal of the day, and boom, budget blown, emotional damage dealt, and now I'm Googling, can you eat expired ramen? But wait, it gets better. You ever try to get out of debt while still in debt? It's like trying to dry off while standing in the shower. I cut expenses so hard my lifestyle flinched. No Netflix. No takeout. I even flirted with a side hustle. You know you're desperate when you start asking your plants if they'd consider being influencers. Okay, Fern, I need you to hold this protein shake and look stunned. And just when I thought I hit rock bottom, I opened my student loan balance and realized rock bottom has a basement. But here's the thing, I laughed. Because what else can you do? At some point, you either cry into your unpaid water bill, or you start finding the comedy in the chaos. So now, I'm broke, but I'm funny broke. Like, I can't afford a vacation, but I can take a guilt trip free of charge. So yeah, I may be 40, still broke, and building wealth slower than a snail with bad knees. But at least I'm not alone. And if you're in the same boat, hey, let's start rowing, or paddling, or floating dramatically while we scream-laugh into the sunset. If you've ever argued with your bank app, made a budget just to ignore it, or Googled how to get rich without crying, hit that like button so I know I'm not alone. Subscribe for more financial therapy disguised as comedy, and let's figure this money mess out together, one broke laugh at a time.